here at Progressive Fitness CrossFit, and I'm here with John, and we're going to go over some foam rolling basics. So let's start off with foam rolling the back. That's probably really popular. You've probably walked into the gym and hit the foam rolling. So first rule is, do not lift your bum off the ground. It's super tempting to try and get that extra pressure, but especially along the spine, it's a bad idea. You also don't want to foam roll past your shoulder blades when going towards that low back. Make sure you do not foam roll over the lumbar spine. That's a really sensitive area, and you definitely need to be careful. You only have one spine, guys. So another great one for the back is just having that foam roller go along your spine. Have your head fall off. That helps nice stretch in the back of the spine, the back of the neck and those suboccipitals. And John's got his arms out, and so this is just also a great pec stretch. Make sure you're nice breathing here. Let's move on to quads, another really popular area. So when you foam roll, the majority of the time, what you want to do is not actually foam roll the entire time. You just want to roll to seek and find. What you're looking for are those really tender, sore spots, trigger points you might find. John's got one right there. So once you find those sore spots, hang out on those spots anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Once, do it, leave it, find another space. If you spend too much time rolling back and forth in an area, you can just flare up your pain receptors and you won't be doing yourself any service. So there's your foam rolling tips, guys.